Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RKT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the uptrend continues, and to think that not that long ago when I started doing this thing, it was down around 19. Now it's all the way back up to, got up above 24. But point here being, updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do is some house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of these lines here. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So right here, $23 was the level of resistance headed into today. But now that the price is up above it, that would be considered the ideal level of support. Ideal meaning if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And yeah, ideally speaking, if the price can stay up above 23, that would be a fantastic sign of strength. With that being said, it's not like if the price falls below that area, then that implies everything's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would be a great sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because as far as just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the overall move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 23 would be great, but as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full ownership. As far as levels of resistance, they just don't matter. What matters the most is what the price has been doing, and that's that right there, building those higher lows, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as those stair steps continue to be constructed in the upward direction, given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.